Okay, welcome guys. Welcome to my tutorial. Today we'll be focusing on how to set up your Bootstrap templates into your MVC app. First thing we'll have to do is visit startbootstrap.com there, and then we're gonna have to find this theme called ASP admin. Alright. Go ahead and click download. Once it's finished downloading, you're gonna see that it downloaded a zip file. Right click on it, go to extract here, and it's gonna extract a folder which contains the files for the theme. Alright, okay, after you've done that, you can go ahead to your project that you want to install your theme in, or create a new project. I'm using a blank MVC app here. Alright, go to your project, right click, go to add new folder. Okay, you can name the folder theme or anything of your choice. You can alternatively use the contents folder, but I'm just gonna create a new folder. Alright, we're gonna have to copy these folders into the theme here. Okay. Let's just wait for it. Okay. Okay, let me just show you the default theme for the project that we're gonna have and that we want to change. Let's see. Okay, it's quite slow. Okay, bear with it. Alright, this is the default theme. This is the theme it currently has right now, and we want to change this theme. Okay. Alright, we've created our folder. Okay, now our folders are gonna appear like this, like they have nothing inside them. What we have to do is click on the show all files thing here, and then we're gonna like collapse and then select the files within the folders and right click and go to include in this project, and we're gonna do that for all the folders. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, one last folder. Okay. All right. After we've done that, we will have to go to the bundles config file. Create a new styles bundle. All right. Name it theme CSS. Okay. What we're gonna have to do next is open the index.html. I'm gonna open it with Notepad++ of the theme, and we're gonna want to see which CSS files it used. Okay, it used CSS style sheets. It used 1, 2, 3, 4 style sheets. Okay, it used 4 style sheets, so we're gonna have to, okay, first let's change this. And then copy this. Okay, now it's 4, right? And now we're gonna reference all the style sheets. Copy that, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay, next thing is the JS files. All right, the JavaScript files. I'm gonna name it theme JS. All right. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go to the bottom of the index page to see which style sheets it used and how many. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, nine of them. Okay. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, and we're gonna copy these directories and paste them accordingly. Okay, last one. All right, now we're done. Now what we're gonna have to do is open the layout page, which is located in the, okay, we're gonna want to click this button again, the show all files, to hide the files. All right, and then we're gonna have to go to the layout page. You're gonna locate it in the shared folder under views folder. All right, now we're gonna want to change these styles here that are being rendered. We're gonna use these styles that we just put in the bundles config. We're replacing the original theme here now with this theme, and we'll want to take the JS files, copy, and replace the Bootstrap files, the Bootstrap JavaScript. These scripts we will have to replace these scripts over here. Okay, right, and when we're done doing that, you're gonna want to copy the body, everything inside the body, everything inside the body up until the script. Because you see where the body starts, the body ends where the scripts end. See, it starts here and it's gonna end here just after the script. So we want to take everything inside there, the body. You see, let's do that. Okay. All right, and here we copy that and we replace everything inside of this body here. Okay, even the footer there, we're gonna replace it. All right, now what we're gonna want to do is open another page, like charts maybe, on the template, just to compare. Okay, you see, just like the index page charts has a body, and it's, let's see the similarities between these two pages, because we want to copy the theme. This is the theme here. We want to copy up until here, just before we want to remove this part here inside the theme and leave this here, this top bar and this sidebar only. And then we want to render any content inside here. So what we're gonna do now is remove this part from the layout page. Okay, so we're gonna try to find where this breadcrumb is located, this dashboard overview breadcrumb. All right, okay, this is the sidebar, this is the breadcrumb. All right, okay, so it starts here. So everything inside of this container we might have to remove. Okay, let's double check on this file here, the charts HTML file, if it also has the same pattern. It looks like it does. So everything from here, everything here inside here, we're gonna have to remove. Alright, everything inside the container fluid div, we're gonna have to remove from the layout page. Alright, everything inside here, let's see where it ends and remove it. Alright, let's remove it. Okay, where does it end? Okay, sidebar, there you go, ends here, and we're gonna render a body there. Right, now let's build this project just to check if everything is working the way it should be. All right, but it should have the theme now. Let's just double check. Let's refresh. Yeah, let's refresh. Okay, I don't know why it's taking so long. There we go, it's working. See, now we've installed the theme successfully. It looks exactly like this theme. We removed this content over here and we replaced it with our own content. Okay, seems like it's working, guys. Okay, that's how you do it, guys. I just want to make a note. I suggest that you when you install it, when you set up a theme, you do it the way I did it and reference the style sheets and the javascripts in the bundles config file class, because if you do it on the layout page, um like this, for instance, let's go to this file like this, like it's been referenced here on the template like this. It does make your site load a little slower. It's better if you reference it in the bundles config. Alright, thank you guys for watching. That is how you set up your Bootstrap templates. I hope that has helped you. Leave a comments down there if it has helped you in any way, and press the like button or press the subscribe button. I would like to know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Yeah, bye.